and I sounds. For first I am. I listen and I repeat. A, say, they, did, age, break, late, pain, ate, ache. I sound. I, my, wife, fine, right, tonight, bye. So I listen and I repeat the sentences. The right rat had a sad side. My bag is very fine. Dan is fat and rides at the back. The man likes mice inside his hat. The fan says he is fine after the fight. So this is with I. With A, oh great, you are late again. Wait, I write the letter later. Man tastes bread the best. Wait for Ed at the gate at 8. So this is for A and I. هنا ما عندناش قاعدة باش نطبقوا A and I. Listen more, talk better. تسمع بزاف, تحدث بطلاقة. Now we move now to activity. Activity number 1. I classify these words according to A and I. Word number 1. There. Word number 2. Late. Word number 3. Break. Word number 5. Beat. Word number 6. Little. Little. Word number 6. Pain. With I letter, I listen and I classify them. Say, word number 1, right. Word number 2, tight. Word number 3, night. Word number 4, light. Word number 5, ride. Word number 6, fight. Task number 2, I listen and I write these words. Word 1, I. Word 2, they. Word 3, my. Word 4, name. And word number 5, night.